First of all, I would like to thank the spacious team. We were looking for home renovation, और उसमें we met across Pochika through some of our sources. और to start with, I would like to say that she was the one who really pushed us to go for this renovation. She came here with her team और उन्होंने dimensions लिए, उन्होंने अपने creative ideas बताए. So it was like कि उसी का घर है. वो इतनी कीन और इतनी ईगर थी इस चीज़ को करने के लिए, प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, और इतने इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़, क्रिएटिव आइडियाज़ दिए, तो हमें लगा कि हाँ यार, ये वी शुड रियली गो फॉर इट. शी ऑल्सो मोटिवेटेड अस, सो दैट वाज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड.
It was our home earlier also, and the home should be the place where we come after a long day and feel relaxed and peaceful. But now it has become our dream home, and apart from that beautification, it also has that functionality which the team has done for us, and they have to cut all the minute details they have taken care of, and that's the one thing which I would like to mention, ki every nook and corner of the house they have done perfectly. We are not able to find anything which is missing in this house.
One room out of the existing drawing room and convert it into the kids room. So when we are seeing it now, it's really looking so amazing. And even kids are loving it. Even the living room is now so big, so there is no compromise on the size and dimensions of the living room which was earlier. In fact, it is looking more spacious, more brighter, and the feel is coming as if we are in a hotel. The furniture which we are buying, so they in the 3D design which they submitted, they also shared the furniture ideas, the overall placement of furniture, how it would look like. So it gave us a very good idea of what furniture we are looking for, and then they also helped us in buying that item.
And placing that thing properly in a house, everything they are taking care of.
So it's like end-to-end solution providing to us. So we do not have to worry. We just give them the order, and finally we were given or handed over the house, which even we were not able to recognize. Oh, this is our house. When you are in a house, the biggest or the most important thing in the house for a female is kitchen. So I think the kitchen design is also brilliant. It is a modular kitchen. Again, we wanted a kitchen which looks spacious. However, we were not having a very big space for the kitchen, but the way it is turning out is again really good and spacious, very bright. Also, if we see the modular version which has come out, so it's an acrylic blue shade which we have taken, and we have merged it with the white color. So both white and sky blue color is blending with each other, giving it more brighter, more spacious. Now coming to the brother's room. So my brother is staying in US, and the biggest challenge whenever he comes here is he wants to do the office job from here. And he wanted a study table, he wanted a space of his own. So we shared this requirement with the team, and they came up with a space saving idea where the table is actually foldable and it merges with the wall. Also the dresser is also like it, and in the column itself they have merged or prepared a dresser, which is again a creative idea. So I would say that if I have to give 1 to 10, I'll give 10 marks for their creativity and innovation. Coming to the parents' room, again, the concept for the entire room was that we have to keep it brighter so that it looks bigger. So the entire house, I would say, all the walls color we have kept bright in the form of white, and there is one wall which is the main wall which we have kept decorative. So in that also we have kept geometrical shapes of various colors.
Earlier when they were showing us the 3Ds, we were thinking that whether the room will convert like this only or it has something different, because the 3Ds are something different which we see it is more brighter and all that, but when that actual house is built, now it is looking more beautiful than the 3Ds which were made by the team, and they have made the thing happen. Actually, that was the main thing, that 3D has come to life.
then came the master bedroom, which was our room, and we really wanted to make it peppy. At the same time, it should look comfortable when I was thinking when I come from office, and it should also give me some sort of relaxation. So how the color palette should look like, it should blend with our personality. So isme my wife
Nidhi
Shweta
and Puchika came up with great ideas. They designed a wall several times. Still, we are not satisfied with the design, and the whole room came out to be the best room of the house. Earlier, we were having apprehensions that what it will look like and how it will manage the functionality of the house and all the things. We want a master bedroom to look like a master bedroom, and now it is gaining all the attention of everyone.
And the best part was that we suggested many ideas. They also suggested many ideas. So they were really, adaptive. They were friendly, and finally, it's really looking marvelous, I would say. Puchika and Nidhi, they are looking after the design part. Rahul is looking after the execution, and Lekhraj is looking after the quotation and bill of materials. So it's a perfect example of teamwork. Each and every person knows about his job, and they mix very well. Apart from that, the most important thing is they make the client comfortable.
So in the end, we would only like to thank the Spacious team for making our dream come true and meeting all our requirements. And we would like to be really in touch with them, because they are, as we compared them with the designer, they are the best designers, best team, and the best human beings also.